What's up, guys? So I know that it's been a while since I made a video, but I finally got KTuner, the version 1. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that TunerView onto your screen there. So it's going to work for 2016-17 if you have that 2 screen there. So I'm going to go through this briefly. If you have any question, just let me know. But a lot of these steps are self-explanatory, and plus they have a lot of like direction and other videos that you can follow. So what you want to do is you want to download AutoHack. You go onto Google, or you could go to the link below and then you just download AutoHack. Go through all their steps. I got the pro version. Just gives me a little bit more options I could do stuff with. But anyways, after that, you find a USB like that. You download TunerView Lite onto this, the APK app, and then let's see, I'll show you guys here. I'm plug it in. I already have it all download and everything like that. But once you have AutoHack, you go here, install app from storage card. You could do another way, but I'm just showing you guys how I did it, because it's so much more faster. Because if you connect your phone, the card to your phone internet, it might be a little bit slow. But you want to make sure you have this one, TunerView Lite, that comes up with this picture. If you come up with something like that, it's not gonna work. So I had to like go Google and find TunerView Lite APK file, and then I downloaded it, put it into the card, and then I click install. And once it's installed, how you pull it up, it is a little bit tricky. Even though you're trying to connect to it, it's gonna be hard if you don't know what to do. So for me, I tried it out. It was doing this for a long time. I couldn't connect to it because so you could basically just swipe right on the corner there, and then I tried to click connect here, but it wouldn't connect. So how you connect to it is you actually have to go to setting, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device, and then connect to KTuner Flash V1. So after you set up KTuner and everything like that with your laptop, then come do this. So it's like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to follow this shit. After you follow that, you use the laptop and everything, then you come here, click KTunerView Flash 1, connect to it, and then go back to the app, and then you should be able to connect to it. Let's see. And then go scan for device. It should pop up KTuner Flash V1 over here. Click on it, but since I already have it connected, I'll click on that. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys something cool on this layout here. So let's see which one it is. Okay, so it's this one right here. If you guys can see, if you choose that one and you are connected, see now it's like taking a long time. It's time to connect now. Sometimes you just have to click out of it, go click on it again. It says connected, but so sometimes you just have to restart your car, because I just messed it up. So here's a little troubleshooting too, I guess. Sometimes it doesn't want to connect, so you just have to turn it off, turn it back on. So you can still have your phone connected and use TunerView. So as long as you just play your music or whatever on Pandora or whatever, and then you can go to TunerView, and then your music could still play, and you can still look at KTuner or TunerView. Okay, so I got it connected back up here. So like I said again, sometimes you just gotta turn off your engine and restart it, and then go back to the app, and then let it load in, and then yeah, it should pop up. So basically, like I said, once you click that start button, it's gonna do the light like it does at the drag strip, and then it's gonna show your reaction time, 8th mile, and what your mile per hour is when you hit that, and then for your quarter, and then your 0 to 60, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a poll here. I'm in a parking lot, but just kind of show you guys here, see if it works. So it's gonna go into the light. That's it. It's pretty cool. This is my reaction time, and it shows my yeah, it shows all of that. Look, I did a quarter mile in 2 seconds. But yeah, anyways, that is it. How you get KTuner, and then just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and I have another video show you guys how to put tune onto your car, and you could use your screen here too. So stay tuned for that video. Alright, peace.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early.